How to disable WhatsApp link devices and secure your WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check link devices. Launch WhatsApp on your phone. Tap three dots at top right. Now from the menu, tap on link devices. You will see a list of devices that are linked to your WhatsApp account. To unlink any device, select the device you want to disconnect and tap log out. The next method is simply you can lock WhatsApp with your fingerprint. Simply come back and select three dots at top right and look for settings and tap to open it. Now choose privacy option. Scroll down, look for app lock. Now toggle on the button for unlock with biometric. When enabled, you need to use fingerprint, face or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls. So confirm your biometrics and you can automatically lock immediately after 1 minute or 30 minutes. You can choose any one option. So by following this step, you can easily secure your WhatsApp account by managing linked devices, locking it locking it with your fingerprint, and also enabling two-step verification if you wish to. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.